everybody, Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting. Should remember the name of my own channel. I have another unboxing today. I just got some China mail and it looks like I retrieved it just in time because it is pouring rain here, which is great for the crops, bad for the puppies. Charlie's a brave soul. It doesn't bother him, but BB is off hiding. I hear her trying to dig a hole in the floor. There's a drill stuck to the outside of my package. That's funny. Okay, looks like I got two here. That's a wonderful surprise. Oh, I keep hitting this cord, which just makes you guys bounce around a little bit. Sorry about that. Oh, look at that. That's not good. They put it in the package and it didn't fit, so they folded the corner. Luckily, that's just the edge, so it's okay. I never really know what's in the packages because I have a couple on their way, so it's a surprise. And after I film the video, I go back and look up the link, grab a picture. I do all that prep work after I do the unboxing video. There have been a couple where I just couldn't find it. I think back when I started. Now I've got a little better records. Well, isn't this pretty? Oh, this is it's a tree. Here, I don't know if you could see that. Let me hold it up so you can see the spots on there. Oh my gosh, I forgot the word. The symbols. This is a round. So you can see there's no squares around the little symbols, and they're all colored nicely. That's a beautiful tree. There's no thumbnail, and there's no DMC numbers on here. Maybe they'll be on the package. We'll see. I just love this. It kind of made me think of, twining ivy, the way the tree did little curly cues all over. This will be a fun project. 21 colors. It's a 30 by 40 full drill round. I'm gonna need to iron this or press it flat or something. Nope, no DMC numbers on the drills. I did just order a DMC chart so that if I'm feeling like I want to do it, I can match them up and add them to my storage. My storage for non-DMC number drills is just to throw them all together. Figure I'll play with them, use them somehow. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. All the colors are here. I can't check the quantities, but, we'll assume they're all here. This looks like a nice little travel diamond painting. I really like this size of 30 by 40. I just feel like it's big enough that it won't be pixelated, and it's small enough that it's not this monstrous project hanging off your lap. So I will put all these into a bag with the name on it. I will put up the image for you. This is a quick and easy one. Again, I don't really mind the plastic sheets. That doesn't bother me. I know it really bothers some people, and that's okay. You can always take that off and use parchment paper. Be careful you don't ever flip this plastic sheet over. I've done that. There is a right side and a wrong side. And if the wrong side gets stuck to the canvas, you will have to take baby wipes, and then it's a whole thing to try and get it off. And that's no fun. We don't want problems. We just want nice, easy, fun to do diamond paintings. That's all. I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much for tuning in. I cannot tell you enough how much I appreciate people who are subscribing to my channel. Like, subscribe. If you're gonna give me a thumbs down, please tell me why. I mean, if it's something as simple as, you don't like dogs, that's fine. But some of the YouTubers, including me, really kind of take it personal. That's it. Have a great day, have fun, and be happy. Bye-bye.